Oh, like, this is not contour, honey. Period. New boobs. Who's this? Hi guys, it's your girl Fiona. I am back at it again with another video. Today, we're talking about boobies. I know it seems like we're not going out this summer, but who says your girls can't sit up in the house, you know? Take some pictures. Right now, I'm wearing a Victoria's Secret bra. I am 34B. Okay, and as you can see, like, I have boobage, but there's no real definition. You know what I'm saying? This is where you would contour just so it looks like you have cleavage. That's what I'm giving you. I'm serving you cup half empty. And I want my cup to run us over, so if you're like me, stay tuned because we're gonna get into a bra that's about to save your life, okay? 2020 was a mess, but your tits don't have to be. This is the UpBra. Follow them at UpBra on Instagram. This is not a sponsored video. This is the bra. It is superly padded. Now, I don't mind that because, like I said, I'm giving you cup runneth half empty, and I want my cuppeth to run over. So about this UpBra, the bra that I purchased is around, I forgot how much, but I know the girls love to know the price point. So for about one bra, it is, girl, that's like almost $100. Throw it away, throw it away. We're gonna ignore that. We're gonna ignore that because, you know, you could spend $100 on faking it until you make it, or you could pay $5,000 by filling it up and faking it until you make it. I'll take this because I don't want to be on anybody's surgeon table if I don't have to be. That's not shade. That's just my preference. There are these levers right here within the bra, right here. And when you pull it, I'm gonna demonstrate it with my boobies on. With my boobies on. I guess technically I am putting boobies on. You pull these straps right here and you can adjust your cleavage, you know, how much you want your cleavage to runneth over. So I'm going to put it on the first notch, so when I first try it on, you get, like, you know, the first view of what it will come like straight out of the box, and then we're going to try it on when I adjust my cleavage. The UpBra also can function as a halter bra, right? You can strap this one end to this end. It's also strapless. And then you have the option of wearing it with your straps. All right, I now have on the UpBra. Wow, where are you going? I now have on the UpBra, and if you can see, there's a little bit of a difference. My cup is not running over, but guess what? Where are you going again? Yeah, I'm giving you boobage. You see from the side, I don't look like a full, like, gap. This looks like, oh, she has a nice rack. $400. I want to show you up close. You don't have to necessarily put bronzer on. I need to clear up my chest. If you guys have, like, tips on how to clear chest acne, let it play an oak. Now, look at them. Hold on. I don't even know if it looks like I'm faking it, but these are my boobs. They're sitting up. Oh, like, this is not contour, honey. Period. New boobs. Who's this? New boobs? Who's this? New boobs. Who's this? Ooh. Boobs. 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 So, with that being said, it's now time for a wear test. Oh, let me show you guys the support without the straps, because I know you're probably wondering, how does it support without the straps? You still got all that motion? Let's see. 1, 2 and a half. Yes, girl. You still got the support, girl. You still got the support. Support. Oh, don't mind. Oh, girl, I need to shave. Ooh. I like this. This is super comfortable. But we're going to do a wear test. I am going to wear it. How long would you stay outside? Let's say 5 hours. It is, I don't know what time it is. I think it's like 3 something. So I'll be back around 8. Wow, okay. Where you going again? So it's the next morning. I was supposed to come back and tell you guys about the long wear, but I ended up getting busy, like super busy, but that's neither here or there. But I can tell you, what I will say is that after prolonged use, like any bra, you want to throw it off, and that is because if you've worn a strapless bra that has like that no slip grip, that's one thing I can say about this bra. It don't slip. Like you could throw them things, you could throw them things, and your bra won't slip. Like any prolonged use of wearing a bra, you want to throw it off after 5 hours. But it is the best security blanket you can have in your wardrobe. Add it to your bra repertoire, because this right here is that silent killer. Like it doesn't ride up. It doesn't ride up. I'll see you guys in the next one. Comment down below, what are some of your instant boob hacks? Lift them, raise them, put me on, and let me know how I can clear my skin out, because girl, this is ridiculous. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.